guys, this is me Janet Kanangias. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a dragging door. Okay, you first have to add this. Sorry. I actually uploaded this. Even I uploaded this. Never mind. And deleting this what I uploaded. Never mind. Okay, so I've cleared everything I have. Okay, so here's the door. And I will test it out. First, we'll test it out and see how cool is it. Whoops! I forgot to remove this. I forgot to remove this that I uploaded. Okay. So. Wait. Oh. See, with just hinge and drag detector. It's simple. Okay. I'll show step by step. But until I show, I have to do something. Okay, so I'll show the properties of Explorer and properties of it. First, you have to add a head 0, attachment 0 and attachment 1. And now go, and if you want to see well, I'm letting it front. Be sure the angle in this, the orange thing goes front of this way, and the upper yellow thing goes that way. And that's a rule. And now the door frame, and it should be same too, just like this. And now just add the drag detector in the door. You have to even add the door frames over here or there up, but you can do it in this side door frame or this side door frame, or don't do it on the upper door frame because it's gonna do something wrong. And head hinge constraint, and the attachment 0 and attachment 1. And mostly last thing is the drag detector, and your door is completed. And make them, but be sure to make them as a model. It's easy. Make it yourself and try it. I should let it back. And now, sorry, my mother is talking for a while. Even my dad and my little sister Aliana is just making sounds. Bye bye.